Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress in just a few clicks using your hosting provider's cPanel and Softaculous. Whether you're launching a blog, business site, or online store, this method is perfect for beginners. No coding or technical skills required. It's a fast and automated setup. We'll start from the cPanel dashboard and go step by step. So let's dive in and get your WordPress website live in minutes. First, log into your hosting provider. In my case, it's RedServerHost. Now, look for the cPanel link. The position of this link may vary slightly depending on your provider, whether it's GoDaddy, Hostinger, or another. But don't worry, you'll definitely find it in your dashboard. Click on it to access your cPanel. Once you're inside cPanel, search for Softaculous in the search bar. Softaculous is an auto-installer that lets you install popular web applications like WordPress, Joomla, and more with just a few clicks. It saves time, avoids manual setup, and handles everything behind the scenes for you. Now, in Softaculous, search for WordPress. When it appears in the results, click on the Install button to begin the setup. I already have a few WordPress installations set up, but to start fresh, simply click on the Install button. Next, make sure you choose the correct domain where you want WordPress to be installed. If you're installing it under a subdomain or a specific folder, set the installation directory accordingly. By default, it shows WP, but you can leave it blank if you want it on the main domain. Then, select the WordPress version you want to install from the drop-down. Softaculous supports multiple versions, from the older 4.x series to the latest stable release. Proceeding further, you can leave most of the user settings as they are. These can easily be changed later from the WordPress dashboard. However, pay attention to the database settings. Click on Advanced Options to view or change the database name or the table prefix, but only do this if you've already created a custom database manually. You can also configure backup settings here. If backups are important for your project, go ahead and set them up. Otherwise, it's safe to leave everything as it is. Once everything is set, you're ready to go. Just hit the Install button. Softaculous will take a few seconds to install WordPress on your selected domain. After installation, you'll be presented with two links, one for your website's front end and another for the admin panel or back end. Simply click these links to access and start customizing your new WordPress site. Inside the WordPress admin panel, look for a link called One-Click Install or something similar on the dashboard. This feature is designed to help beginners set up essential themes, plugins, and demo content with just a few clicks. It's an automated script. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and it will handle everything for you. Just for demonstration purposes, I've selected the blog category here, but you can choose whatever fits your website's purpose, like business, portfolio, or online store. Next, enter a title for your website that reflects your content or brand. Don't worry too much. This title can easily be changed later from the WordPress admin settings. Now comes a crucial part, selecting the look and feel, or the theme of your website. This controls how your website appears to visitors, from layout and colors to overall style. So choose wisely, as a good theme not only enhances user experience, but also reflects your brand. For this demo, I'm selecting the first option presented, just to show you how it works. You can click Demo to preview how the theme looks and feels before applying it. Once you're happy with your choice, click the Import New Content button. This will automatically bring in all the related content, layout settings, demo images, and other small details. The process only takes a few seconds, and once it's done, your site will be fully set up and ready to customize. Now click the link to your website, and there it is. Your brand new, polished WordPress site is live. You can immediately see and feel the difference between the default layout and the customized one. It looks clean, modern, and professional. Exactly how a great website should feel, right?
Now head over to the admin panel or WordPress dashboard to further customize your site, from adding new pages to changing menus, plugins, and more. Many modern WordPress themes now include AI-powered assistants that guide you through the setup process. They can suggest layouts, generate content, and even optimize your site for SEO, saving you time and effort. It's like having a smart web designer built right into your dashboard. The rest you can experience by simply exploring the admin sections, like creating your first post, adding categories, and much more. WordPress gives you powerful tools to build and manage your site easily. But customizing it in detail, like themes, plugins, and SEO, is a topic that deserves its own dedicated video. And that's it. Your WordPress site is now live and ready to grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Got questions or need help with customization? Drop a comment below. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.